Hi everybody, welcome back. In this episode we're going to show how to use pictures of our fabrics within our own blocks. So to quickly and efficiently represent what our true quilt may look like based on actual fabric that we have that we can take a picture of. So first I'm going to go ahead and start a new block, and what we're looking at, first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start a new block. And I want to make sure that my block is appropriate size based on what I need. So under parameters, I can choose my block designs. I can choose my block dimensions. So in this case, it defaulted to a 12 by 12. We're going to leave that there for now. And we're going to start with a template. So we showed in another video that we can use predefined templates. Now, there's dozens of templates already in the system that we can use. So let's find, do we have any kind of triangles? Let's do this simple half square. I really like this one. Right? So we select that, and it's going to pre-populate those patches directly into my design, and we can go from there. So it is a 12 by 12. If for some reason I need to change this, I can make this bigger and it'll automatically scale. If I wanted this to be a 15 by 15, for example, I simply type it, click update block. It's going to ask me if I want to auto scale that. In this case, I want to say yes, and it makes everything, it stretches and scales everything up, and then we can always go backwards. Go to update, yes, I want to auto scale that, and it makes everything back kind of what it was. And you can do that up or down. You can make this a 4 by 4, 3 by 3, anything, any size, and it's going to scale that appropriately and keep and do that for you. So what that allows you to do is if you designed an 8 by 8 or a 12 by 12 or something like that, and then realize you need to do the same design, but you need to make it bigger, you can simply change the parameters and it'll scale that for you. Just a quick tip there. So in this case, so it defaulted our template, this pinwheel pattern, and we have the predefined colors. There's white and this lavender color, very pretty lavender color. So, but instead, I want to use real representation of my fabrics. So we start with the template, but we can customize it from there. So under images and fabrics, I'm going to expand this out. Now I've got a couple predefined images that I've already selected. I'm going to delete these real fast just so that they're gone. So we can see what it looks like when you first enter a design. So it's asking me to select an image. So in order to add an image to my project, to my design, I open the image library. Now these are images that I've already captured on my mobile device, or I've uploaded them to my computer or to my profile from my computer. And there's another video on the mobile app that shows you how to capture pictures of your fabrics and what to do with them, how to upload them. So I've got a ton already in the system here. I've got some t-shirts that I've taken pictures of. I've got some actual fabric swatches that I've taken pictures of. So tons and tons of stuff that I've already got in here that I can do directly from my mobile phone or my tablet to get them into the system. So for that teal color, that lavender color, I want to change it to the springtime teal. So I'm going to just simply select this image. This was an actual image that I created from my phone and uploaded, and I'm just going to click OK. And you can see that the cursor changes. There's a block next to my cursor indicating that I'm ready to paint different things. I'm ready to paint patches. So now that it's activated, I just simply click on the patches that I want to paint, and it painted those in there. And I'm going to hit escape to cancel that. And so now I can quickly get back to it. Now that I've used that image within my design, it shows up here and it'll stay here for this entire design. I can simply click it again and it reactivates that, and then again you press your escape key to cancel that. So now I want to paint this white with a different fabric. So I'm going to open my image library again, and I'm going to choose let's choose this pink color, the springtime pink color. So I'm going to click OK, and you can see that it now tells me that I've got that, and I'm going to paint the white areas. I'm going to hit escape. And so now I've taken a template, I've customized it, and I can save it, and it's going to add that to my design. And now I can do different things with that. So we'll go over different things in another video, but basically this video is to show you, I'm going to go ahead and edit this. So the video is to show you how to use images within your design to get a true representation or a better representation of what your final output's going to be whenever you actually use that fabric, to make your design, to make your quilt. You're going to cut these different patches out, you're going to cut the triangles out, and you're going to make these little square blocks. for the actual design, and sew them together, right? So now you can have a representation of really what that's going to look like in your design. So that's all for this one. That's showing you how to use images within your designs and place them within the patches in the block designer. Thanks, and you guys have a great day.